Welcome to Baby Shay's channel. This is Nyckelviken, and this is the map, and we are in this place right now where the red dot is, and like I think we're gonna go there, and that's to this little place I think. I'm not gonna touch that. Okay, come. So I think we gotta just look around. Okay, come. Okay, so this is the flowers. Yeah. And we got purple flowers, with brownish flowers here. And got some more flowers here. Are they spiky? Of like spiky flowers. Those are kind of spiky, so I'm not gonna touch those. Not at all. And these so called like orange or yellowish flowers. Like this yellow on this side and kind of like red and orange on that side. And then this kind of like these flowers and this is like a big pumpkin. And these look like old to me, but I don't think those are old. And look, these are kind of like crazy colors. These are more like red, darkish colors. And these are like pink or purple colors. And then these are more red colors, purple, and yeah. There's some nice flowers that I think as beautiful there. I like these two, but I also like the purple one. And I like the dark purple, and so like just like a splatter. And look at this bunny or something. Wait, no, it's not that. Look at this rat. I can just sit on it. Now get it. See? I mean that or something. Look at it. This is a mouse or that. I think it's a mouse. This mouses, like they have long tails. And I'm not even afraid of that. Okay. So this is kind of like a summer flower. Okay, it's gonna rain now. It's so cool. Can we just come here like right now? We cannot even see some animals. Then we have to come here tomorrow if we cannot see some animals today. Okay? Because we can come right here right almost now. Or like this moment. Okay guys, now we are eating croissants. And like it didn't rain like now. And when it rains, we can just go to the car. Where's the car? The blue car, that's so close. If you can see something blue, that's our car. Guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the natur meaning that I just saw. There up does it say natur meaning? No. You got all these paws. Like you can always pause if you just want to have some time and we in the Nyckelviken to look at animals. It's gonna be so fun because we went here and like so many times. Oh, I'm gonna show you a little. Look at this place. So all the times, like when we go somewhere, we are gonna show you around. Like now, I saw this mini house that we was wanting, and I'm showing you. This one. There's the brown one. That brown one where my brother is going running to. Running. Now we're gonna look at the place. And it says here something up there, but you don't have to read that. It's locked. But it's locked. I think it was like, maybe it's this way. Oh. You see that place? We gotta move a little. Okay. Backside. I think there's horses here. No, there wasn't horses like here. There was actually a little bit far away. Hold that, Daddy. So, what place is this? Oh, look at this tent.